If you want to create a WebWork workspace, the first thing you should do is sign up. To do that, you should go to our website and click sign up. From here, you can go ahead and fill out the information. Once you're done, you can go ahead and press sign up. From here, you'll need to fill out some information. So for example, what industry you work in and what is your primary role. After that, you should choose how many people will be working with you, as well as your phone number. Next, you should choose the name of your workspace, the time zone, as well as if your team works remote, hybrid, or office-based. Then you should choose what type of tracker you want to use. So for example, visible, silent, or visible and silent. I'll go ahead and choose visible and silent. Visible and silent tracker mode allows you to have both visible and silent trackers within one workspace. What that means is that some users can use the visible tracker, and the other users can use the silent tracker. Then at the bottom here, you need to choose how do you want your members to track time in your workspace. This only applies to members whose tracker is visible. I'll go ahead and leave it as desktop app and press next. Then you should go ahead and choose how you want to handle your payroll and payments. I'll go ahead and select I'll manage them myself and go next. Then from here, you can go ahead and invite the members that will be using the visible tracker. You can do it by copying this link, inviting members directly through here using email, or go ahead and use these integrations. Once you're done, you can go ahead and go to final step. And then from here, you can go ahead and fill out your credit card information. Now, once you've created your workspace, the first thing you should do is start inviting members. Now, since we chose the visible and silent tracker mode, the members that will use the visible tracker will need to invite them manually. To do that, you should go down to People, then Members, and then here in the top right section, you can go ahead and press Invite. Firstly, here we have by email, so you can go ahead and write the email, team, project, and then press Invite. Next, we have bulk invite, so you can fill out a file, upload it, and invite those members. Here you can find the template. After that, we have copy link. This way you can copy this link and send it to your members. This way they can automatically join the workspace. And lastly, we have by integration. Using these integrations, you can import members. And for the members that will use the silent tracker, there is no need to invite them. To add them to the workspace, you should go to the top right corner and go to Downloads. From here, we'll need to select the OS, so I'll go ahead and choose Mac. And then we'll need to share this download link. Now, the tracker will automatically add each member based on the device it's installed on. For bulk deployment, the tracker can be installed across multiple devices using MDM tools. The silent tracker must only be installed on company-owned devices. Now, once your members have downloaded the silent tracker, you can go to People, then Members. Now, instead of showing an email or a name, the member will be identified by their device name and labeled as their username. To change their name, you can simply click on their name, then go to Personal Information, and from here you can change their first name and last name. Once you're done, you can go ahead and press Save. Once you've invited the members, you need to create projects so they can track time on. To do that, you should go down to Projects, then Projects, and then from here I can go ahead and press Create Project. From here I can name the project, choose if it's buildable or not, set a start and end date, a time estimate, a budget estimate, and any project notes. Then in the members section, you can select what members will be assigned to this project. So for example, I'll choose myself, who will be the project manager, project viewer, and customers. And lastly, we have properties. From here, you can set the weekly limit per member, hourly rate, and screenshot mode. Once you're done, you can go ahead and press Create Project. And as you can see, I've successfully created the project. Now, once your members accept the invitation and start tracking time on the project they're assigned to, you can view that data. To do that, you should go to Reports, and here in the Reports section, you'll be able to find all the information about the tracked time. You'll be able to find data such as tracked hours, timeline, activity level, apps and websites, and so on. Now, if you want to adjust what features are available in the workspace, you can do that by going to the Settings, then go down to Features, and then from here you can select what settings will be available in your workspace. So for example, if I do not want screenshots in my workspace, I can go ahead and disable it and press Save Changes. And as you can see, I do not have screenshots here. There are a lot of different settings that you can customize to your liking. Once you're done customizing your workspace, your members are ready to track time. Now, if you want to change what tracker is used in your workspace, you can do that by going to the Settings, and then go down to Tracking, and then from here you can go ahead and select what tracker mode you want to use. Currently it's set to Visible and Silent.